Hello. Let's see what we started on. We're going to continue working on more of the Vtuber Mascot Parade thing. It's fun. As that's loading, we're going to see what's loaded here on the two things. Okay, I can see YouTube's loaded. We got noise? Fun. Okay, we got noise there. Parade thing. It's fun. I got fun repeated there. Am I live on Twitch? Or am I dead on Twitch? Yep, I'm live on... Nope, that's not... It's not what I meant to click. Oh, actually, that is me, live. Realized godot was open on the center screen. My mistake. My mistake. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, last time we left off, we just made a simple model for Beetle. Because he is the mascot of Neurosama. Okay, I think there was a problem I spotted, because I sometimes peek at a few things right after stream. If I play the animation, I should be able to see it. Yeah, it's that jittery right there. I forgot to change the alignment on that because I wanted to keep it maybe pixelized. Okay. That may be what we want. Oh. I just meant to play the animation. Okay, actually play the animation. Oh, got some. Yep, it did. That's not what changed it. Okay, and that's just a bit too sharp. And somehow... Alright, I like that so far. Okay, that was just one last small correction that we just missed from last stream. I wanted to do that one live just so I could say I did it live. No. Alright, So there's one tool that we definitely did not make that we need to make. I open up, oh, I can just go right into it, never mind. So, Neurosama likes the pipe. Okay, that sounds bad. Quite literally, it's the pipe meme. So it's where Neurosama plays the pipe sound. That flashing pipe sound. So, that is the special ability this is going to have. Is it not going to be fun? I'm drinking a little water. Well, sparkling ice water. Strawberry flavored. Only 5 calories. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's empty. So, metal pipe. And realistically, this is what we're making. This is the texture, basically. I mean, we're not going to copy this texture, but this is what we're doing. We just want that and pixel format. So, I'm just showing it off. That's what we want to do before we actually do it. Because Neurosama likes to hit pipes. Might be the evil one. Actually, you know, we can do a little bit of open verification about this. YouTube. Oh, it was the evil one. Oh no, it's louder than I expected it to be. Yeah. Go watch this person. But yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's literally what I'm thinking.
Accident. Why are you bleeding?
Okay. That's all I wanted to show about that. But yeah, see, Nurse Song hits people with a pipe. So that's the ability that we want to have give this. And this can be from anywhere in the universe, is the idea. Oh, we should put music on. I can't believe I forgot about that. There's a slight problem with this. It doesn't look like a pipe. Oh, that does not make it look better. Almost like a bone. Tiny bit better, actually. Swap, make it completely alpha, and yeah, I figured so. Gotta use the override mode. Okay, that kind of works. I'm missing that pizzazz or something. No, that's not it. You know, the problem I think is it looks flat. Unless you're looking directly at that. So, maybe it's a little bit of shading. So, thinking... That may not be what we want. Wow. I'm just not getting this right at all. Let's see. Almost think I should just do different games by Jesus. Because I am not getting a good. I'm trying to look a few textures on Chrome over here. You guys can't see because I don't know what Google results give me, but I'm not finding anything I want out of that. Just to get a general idea how I'm going to print this. Because I am not good at this. I should just stick to making characters. See, I always too many pixels there doing it, but now I can go like that and like that. Yeah, I don't know. This doesn't look like a circle. That's not the problem. Sorry, I'm not good at art, guys. A couple that are watching me. I should leave it as it was before. Should be back in override mode if we're going to try to erase. Yeah. Oh. You're technically throwing your song a bone if you think about it. It almost works. That's the problem. Almost is not what I want. Oh, excuse me. Yep, okay. Alright, that's probably our best variant of it. Ow. Now, let's take a look at freesound.org. We're at our first sound in Godot. Also with this. What's up? His issue is on camera? I don't even know where I get that from. I was worried there for a second I was going to say something that shouldn't have. Oh, I was looking up Godot issues. Why is like the search bar? Why does Chrome think the search bar is Godot? That's a good question. Metal and techno makes sense in this jerk box though. We'll look for music on this website before a little bit. Anyway, pipe sound. We want to get the sound of that pipe thing. It goes boing boing. So I'm pretty sure that's the sound right there. So pause the music. Nope. We want to make sure we got Creative Commons only. Because our things are so open that we just have to do it that way. Okay. Yeah, that might actually be the most appropriate one right there. So, we might go with that one. Nope. No. Okay. So, that right now is the most appropriate sound closest to the meme. Ideally, I'd like to just have the meme. But I don't know if it's, nope. Oh, ow. Nope. Just a bunch of random people's sounds. That is the closest to one we want so far. Okay. So, between these two. Let's log in. I thought I was logged in, but apparently I'm not. Oh, I've actually logged on in Firefox. So give me a sec. Oh, okay, well, this doesn't show my password. For a second, I thought it showed my password. Jeez, I was panicking. Not that I use the same password in any of my stuff, but, you know, saw that for a second. I'm surprised I even saved my password. So, okay. Yeah, I want to download this sound. Give it full rating. So, should I say? Uh, okay. I may not want to take their sound, actually. Oh, that's an I. I just don't know. That name seems suspicious to me. Give me a sec. That name just seems sus to me. I'm not gonna take their sound then. I guess the search continues a bit and we'll copy over to Firefox when we find something we might want. Oh, God. That name, I just don't like. It's suspicious. That actually could work. Okay, and that is not a suspicious name this time. Actually, I'm going to go back and unfavor that if I can. Because I realize that I just didn't like that name. Like, I have an alarm bells in my head when I see that name. Anyway. This one will get 5 stars. We'll download that one. I do not want that on my list anymore. I don't even want to look at that. I gotta look at those stuff just in my downloads folder. It's weird. It's weird. Double check. It is Creative Commons. We're still going to get attribution text for them. So, I do want that. We'll get that in a minute. Actually, how do I go back to my profile? I want to maybe expand sounds like I'm thinking. No. I want to unfive that last one. Because that name was super suspicious to me. Oh, wait, that's the one we actually. Okay. So, back in Godot. I'm going to add another thing called sounds. New folder. Well, I can just put that right there. Yippee. Let's open this in File Manager. Okay, and we can do that there. And now we can grab that attribution we want. Alright, and we should be happy. So, that'll be our first added sound of the game after 10 doings of these. Okay, we're almost ready to do code, but we do got to set up a little more near sound enough. So we got that. Then we need another entity also. It's temporary. We'll handle that when we get to that. Well, we can do that now. Sure, just to go off objects. So, extend static object, sure. So, we're going to create a scene. We're going to call it pipe. Similarly, we can just pop pipe in. Oh, what? One sec. Oh. Oh, it's completely wiped in the background, but maybe not. Okay. Actually, kind of doesn't look like it now that it's faded, but I don't want to use it faded. Okay, you can kind of see a few weird pixels here. Note you can't see them like this. Look how good you say your eyes are, mine aren't. Okay. There we go, we got them. Anyway. So that's the pipe. That's going to just magically appear and disappear on people. Anyway. Where's the thing? Oh, good. There's no that. So, actually, not since no 2D, it's going to extend static object. I think. Because this is a change of character type 2D. It doesn't need a hitbox. We aren't doing hitboxes on it. So it's just a visual effect. Class name. Pipe. Function. Oh, we forgot to turn music back on. My bad on that. So let's keep playing it. There we go. That's better. So it should be modulate. Now Q to delete itself when it's out of steam. And for good measure, alright. Oh, and we should make that one, otherwise it'd be infinite. Yippee! It's almost done. I'm gonna put actual code in for Beetle. And we're also going to hitbox for Beetle. Okay. So, can be really extra lazy here and open up another characters. Thing. No, sorry, I was distracted by things. I should get back to actually doing something. Oh, we're gonna steal their hitbox. Oh no. Oh. Promise won't fall asleep. Might end early, but won't fall asleep. Okay, back to Vital. Okay, and it's for some reason visible. Oh, okay, maybe it could be a little bit smaller. Just about there's probably fine. Man, he looks dopey. Like that sad, happy. I actually really do like that. Oh, okay, water. I need water. Okay. Oh yeah, animation player needs that one attached script that we always do. So where's attached script? There should be like a generic script for all of them. Oh, animation player, there it is. And we need the animation name, which is just gonna be walking. Because it's walking here. Bum, bum, bum. Okay. Sorry, my brain. Just a long day at work. So my brain shouldn't have full power. But I do remember we're going to make this unique. I'm going to go back to the regular Dragoon and make sure that it didn't get screwed up because I forgot that. Oh, okay. I did just copy it. Good. Good. My concern's no longer valid. Sorry. No, part of these streams would keep me off of Twitter, and I'm on Twitter. Okay, off Twitter now. So, he actually needs a script. Now, he's using the character script, but we want something better than that. We want to give him his own script. So, where's attach? Or, oh, probably get rid of the old one. Okay, let's just clear it for them. Oh, my. Okay. I don't understand that then, but alright. Attach script. Oh, and it was perfect. Just perfect. Custom Vidal. Okay, so benefits, we're just gonna look over, so we gotta do action. That's pretty much the thing we need to change. So, you know, we're not gonna use any of that, we wanna just get a baseline. Actually, I'm gonna just copy do action. That's all we need. I'm gonna go back to Vidal script. So, back in Vidal script. There's the thing we want to initiate, and that is the thing for the pipe. Var pipe scene equals pipe preload. Not the GD script, we want that scene. Okay, and we want to get the sound. Those should support wave. If not, we can use a VLC player to convert it. That's my opinion on it. So first of all, I want to get the closest maybe. So we know we need to get world, current. So if we go to the world script, just enemies. So enemies, those are pick random. Let me check. Godot, pick random. Can I just do pick random? Okay, well, that person says I can, so we'll do it. So I picked. So we should do if picked. Make sure they exist. Oh, I'm writing like a PHP developer. Okay, and if picked. Maybe we should do the inverse condition. Return. Just a good habit. Okay, anyway. Picked dot position into the. So var pipe equals pipe C initiate. It does not initiate. And we want pipe dot position to equal other one dot position. Cool. Alright, and what else do we want out of that? Right, we want to get the sound. So we know how to play sound. That's a good question. No. Oh, wait, maybe. Alright, I didn't realize I make an audio player. That's going to be global. Okay, alright, so it's my parent name. Alright, I gotta see what the dog's issue is. Be right back. Sorry about that. Mic's unmuted now. Dog just wanted in the room, but since my roommate is watching a movie or something, I don't want that audio to hit the stream, so I can't have the door open. So I don't know why she wants in my room specifically. but yeah, because the door's closed. Probably she wants it open. Can't have it open right now, though, if we're doing this. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, so I can just attach the sound to that. All you have to do is reload. I don't like the node system for this necessarily, but it's appropriate, so we'll be on with it. I will have to see later in Godot if there's a hard limit to that. Because the game I'm working on, there could be like 100 of them. Oh, you can probably show the specific time on that too. Oh. Okay. Cool. Whoa. So should have damage. So fix that take damage. Should be on living entity, whatever it is. So track, process, oil, take damage. It is take damage. Actually, I should move the pipe over to there. So if we make them take damage, and that'll be equal to our damage, that's going to either be in character or living entity. I'm going to try living entities first. Damage amount. Nope. Which is fair. That wouldn't be a character trait by itself. But it should be. Trait. Hey, this one makes sense. Okay, I'm going to rename this to a dragoon, because I don't think we're having multiple. Okay, how do we deal damage on that? Oh, right, it's these. Okay, what about... Okay. So they should have a... Oh, they don't deal damage, that's right. Oh, not... Kaniki. It might be an arm. It's an arm. That's what... Boom. Remove the prints because they're not going to help. You should fix her bugs this route, actually. Damage. And we get parents damage, which is just as I thought. Okay, let's get all the way back to Vito, wherever that is. Now we're gonna make it 2 damage. So initiate the pipe, let me set its position, and then world. Oh, wait a second. No, actually, it wouldn't matter. It's world. It's objects. Hopefully, it's just pushed back. World GD. It is objects. Okay. So hopefully the last step now we just can add Beetle to the actual list. And now Beetle will be part of the game. Yippee! Sorry, I was reading things left and right. See if anybody said anything on anything, but no. How sad. Let's export presets. Oh. A moment. And here we should add a Kaniki. Not Kaniki, oh. Man. Let me see. But I wanted a Beetle. Now, I'm so glad these aren't going to be seen by a user. Oof. Oh, that shouldn't even be fired. Do extend character, right? Yeah, we do. Okay. Oh, that shouldn't have fired at all. Okay, select menu. Show me what you got. Oh, wow, I just can't. Oh, no, it's not going to save the game running. Windows, not even once, kids. Oh. What? Okay. How does that apply to, fucking keys? Oh. I see how that applies now. Didn't realize I used an animated sprite there. I didn't realize I even had that. Okay, that explains a lot. Okay. Okay. It's good. Okay, back to vehicle, fix the thing, let's use the proper thing. Did I misspell animation? Yippee, and he moves. Okay, he needs to be a bit wider though. So. I'm gonna make another node 2D. We'll call it body. I don't know how to see it this size. I don't know. So. No, it's our crash. Yeah, I need to pick random mode. Godot. Array. Pick random. Wait, is it? Okay, oh, with their nodes. Oh, I hate this. Okay. It's not an array, it's a node. Okay. Go pick random child node. We'll get lazy on the code here. Fine, let's do that. Did we get off the map? Wow. What? I should have position out of that. Why can't I get position? Because I didn't spell it right. This is a long day. Push back. So maybe I just need to push. Or child. Where's my physics box? Okay. Sorry, that actually got me. Okay. I don't think it should be one-shot kill, but if it's all 5 of them, that's gonna be a one-shot kill. Okay. Yeah, that seems alright. What? Oh, he doesn't have a hitbox set up. Oh, that's why he went through the ground. Or now he's not. Whatever game. Anyway, it needs character collision. Anyway, we're gonna put it up here. I'll put this on the code side so we never forget it. Okay, 1 and 3. I think 1 and 3 was the bad choice. It was 1 and 2. Apparently that's a Doki bird. That's the one we have the most correct, I'm pretty sure. Layer 3, mask 1. Okay. Oh, I'm an angry talkie. I like if I'm an angry talkie. I want to be, no, I'm not even angry dragon. I just want a regular dragon. Don't know why they're named angry here. I don't think they're going to be named angry here. They only have the one. Dokies. And where is it? Oh, it would not be on that object. Layer 2, mask 1. Because 1's my collision, and 2 is the layer they're actually in. That makes sense, actually. Not layer 3. So, mask 1, layer 2. Okay, and that way it'll get killed by Saba's units. Oh, that's just OP. Oh, we instantly died there. There's some air spam in the... Can't take a value from empty array. Now that is fair. I don't know how you would do that. So I don't want godot spam. Turn if it's 0. I'm reading text, sorry. Work related. Okay. Go node. Count children. Get child count. Why can't it just be children count? And we no longer have spam from him. Good. A few things I want to do. I want to increase the size of that. So, I'm gonna reduce the damage on that though. I'll get 0.5. Okay, and on the character himself, we're going to reduce his speed. So let's make it 5. Actually, we can keep the damage the same. We give him higher haste amount. Actually, we can go back to 2. Maybe 10's too much. Maybe 6 is appropriate. Keep the damage the same. Yeah, 6 is the correct number. Okay, we definitely need to fix the Saba though. Saba's little crap. Fishy. So I'd say Beetle for now is functionally complete, which is good. Okay, and they're indie now. So I should be able to find. There it is. So I'm going to just they're going to do 1 attack per 1. So the always in the main can attack. There's an animation, which is always obvious. So. We should do Boolean on this side for can attack. Oof. Okay, I think that's the appropriate move. What is it? Stack called? So while they can do an action, we just set the haste again to 0. Actually, I should quickly check here. Close others. Okay, good. We actually do fix it there. We unfix it with this one. Could be a potential speed, or actually I don't know with Godot, but I'm thinking there is a potential race condition between do action and when it overlaps. But they may not even happen on the same, or if it's all single threaded, it doesn't happen that way. We'll keep it as is, and if there's a problem, we'll come back to it. Well, if it's a problem. Not like a minor problem where it's like, oh, they get an extra random attack sometimes. I mean, a problem like it crashes. Like if they get a little extra bonus attack sometimes, we'll just leave that in. We can leave little bonus that in. Rare once in 1,000 attempts bug. I don't care about that. This isn't serious. This isn't like a flight controller thing. But there's something to think about. So, hypothetically, we could async them somehow, or synchronize them somehow. I don't know the method off the top of my head for Godot, but I know how to do it in C#. But we're not in C# right now. We're in GD script. So, QP. Anyway, back to this. Sorry, I looked at my phone again. Zero. Okay. So, forget all this time business. Actually, I should go and fix it so it's countdown. Yeah, I'm glad I double checked. Let's make parent part of this. Haste or damage now. Just directly call parent. Oh, wait, I'm going to do that. Okay. Actually, their haste might be too high. Their haste is too high. No, especially can see it too. Yeah, that might have been my entire problem with this character. Is I just put the haste too high, maybe my math was right. This is cleaner math though. At least there would be 4 at least. Alright. Oof. That's the risky business about dealing with hitboxes. One second. I'm sorry about that, I'm back. Oh! Okay. Oof. Well, I'm having a complete blown with my controls here. Yeah, no, I'm looking at my controls. Yeah, I know my VNAN's out of date. So someone sue me. It is Shift R. I've been clicking Shift R. Why doesn't it reset? Okay. Oh. No, we fixed the bug with Kaneki, or it just didn't make sense. Still kind of overpowered, but they aren't going to be so overpowered when we fix the other thing about them. So right now we got an enemy that's melee rusher, an ally that's, yeah. There is one issue. It's dealing damage with lasers. Because if we give allies a green laser and enemy a red laser, that's kind of tacky, but it's a solution. So, ironically, we can rename laser to friendly laser and aggressive laser, and just copy and paste and get the different hitboxes. So, that's what I've been thinking. That's the solution to that. So, go into paint.net first. That's the pipe. Okay, textures. Oh, textures. Generic. Laser. Let's save. I'm going to resave this as enemy laser. And we're going to resave this. And we'll make it green or blue. That's the question. Oh, anti-ace needs to be off. Or green. I don't think I'm gonna make it blue. Red. It's blue stop signs, guys. Okay. And over here in this corner, where objects are, so this shouldn't matter. This will be the same script between the two. So we're going to duplicate this. Enemy laser. And we're going to rename this one to friendly laser. Alright. We're going to change the hitbox from friend to enemy. Oh, that's done. On. No, actually, not friendly laser, enemy laser. We're going to change the hitbox on. That's visibility. I need. That's the right one. Oh, no. Right, so. I believe enemies are 3. And I believe allies are 2. I guess we gotta go back into allies. For this part. And we also do always go 1. So actually we do need to put that back in. See, the enemy Dokis are now going to be shooting instead of running at the people. So, major change in how we're going to do their AI, and they're going to run the opposite direction of the player too. So, yeah, we're doing a complete change on the Doki AI. Oh yeah, and friendly laser needs to have a different texture now. Oh, load. Yippee! Okay, and Dokis. So this will keep Kaneki from being OP. Because now they have to chase down enemies that will shoot at them. There's another option. Do I have it loaded? I do have it loaded. Okay, we actually want the script though. Okay, we don't need to set hitbox layer anymore. And it needs to be friendly laser. Okay. Perfect. And we're going to copy this logic at the very least. And we're going to go to. And. Okay, we'll just do it manually. Angry Dragoon. So, they actually control our process, kind of. So, they aren't going to have this collision anymore. And I believe this collision does interact with that one properly. Oh, maybe it doesn't. In here, actually? Maybe I had the wrong collision in mind. I don't see it here either. How does it collide into the player then? Oh, why did they crash into the player? Well, I have that script. That's that process effect I was looking for. We add it in code now? Did I just forget that I do that? Which is highly possible. I probably did just do that. Oh, I see 2 spots. Huh? Oh, wait, that's not it. Oh. Okay, where's track overlap happen? Does it not happen, or does it happen on the angry side? This is an enemy, it should just... Okay, maybe it's an enemy. No, I'm actually proud of myself that I didn't include an enemy. The angry dragoons. Wait. What? That wasn't there a minute ago. Okay, well, regardless, we aren't even doing this effect anymore. Go to angle, I want to keep that logic. Actually, I want to keep most of that logic. Okay, angry dragoon, that's your logic. Dragoon, the regular. Okay. Yeah, that's angry goon. I'm gonna add pi to desired angle. So they run the other way. That's the goal. Okay, so we don't have an enemy position, we have a tail position. Okay, I think that's appropriate. Seems correctamente. Whoopsie. Get over here. Ah! Ah! Well, first of all, wrong color. Well, at least we know the game can handle 1 billion of these. Oh my god. Okay, well, at least we aren't worried about things taking over the screen. We could literally make this vampire survive. That's actually a good sign. Oh. Whew, if we nail that many enemies, we're good. I mean, granted, I'm on good hardware, but still. Like that it could spit out like that. Okay, enemy laser. First of all, enemy laser. You want enemy laser. We should convert this to a preload. So it isn't referencing disk every time. Laser. Preload. So we need it. Okay. Lizard, 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 lizard. Oh, wait. It's like a caution thing. Oh, they limited themselves. Let's look at layers real quick. Maybe they used to. Yeah, I mixed up the layers. Let's see. What does that have on hit code? I'm sorry, that is just hilarious to me. I'm almost tempted just to keep it kind of like that, but at less damage. But I don't want to lag anyways with that. So, because I want this to play on a mobile device, so we're not going to do that. At least not in this game. Maybe we have like a boss that could do that. It's good to know that you can quite literally make Toho with Godot engine, though. So, that could be a future game project. Or even like an internal side project with this, where there's like another map where you have to rush upwards as you evade lava or something, so it kind of simulates the Toho running upwards. And enemies just out like they do in Toho. Oh, just ideas. Ideas for later. Okay. Okay, living entity. Ooh, that means... Actually, doesn't mean Takadashi's could be hit. Oh well. I mean, hit by friendly fire. So, that's why lasers weren't affecting me. be painful again, though. The lasers should... Yeah, they do deal damage to enemies. Oh yeah, lasers are gonna crush me. Okay, yeah. They don't take laser damage. Now you can see that they go the opposite direction of where I'm going, or where I'm at, I should say. Okay, good. Takas don't actually take laser damage. So I was trying to confirm real quick. I saw them run right through and not take a hit, so that's good, actually. Okay, so we have an enemy that rushes, we have an enemy that fires, and yeah. Okay, good. Okay, sorry, stretching. Boy. So, I'm going to reuse the same script for both here. So, we can keep that as is. And I actually want that to be a float now. We're going to double the damage, but we're going to times it by lifetime. So if they're bouncing, they're going to deal less damage. The longer they last in travel, they deal less damage. I wanted to do that for a bit, I just hadn't done it yet. So, take damage times the remaining life? Yeah, remaining lifetime. Wait, where's remaining lifetime? Let's do remaining lifetime divided by lifetime. Oh, here we go. Cool. Okay. And now we're going to go add a haste cooldown to Angry Dragons. Could just affect rate. Haste. Where's Angry Dragon? Or no, character actually. Oh, shouldn't copy paste code too much, but here's a good situation. I don't know if there's traits in Godot like there would be in PHP. I would just like to do that and just have a haste trait, or has haste trait. So anyway, that's going to be exported. And var haste cooldown. And function is already haste. Countdown equals haste. That way they can't get a shot the second they exist. Is there super? I don't know. Just to be safe. I think they just got the default haste. We'll see if it's better in a few minutes. Might be kind of bad. We might need higher than that. We definitely need higher than what that was. Haste default is 10. Take 10 seconds. Regular dragoons are, what are you at? 1.5. So 1.5 is probably the right number. And haste is an integer. Yeah, that is like an instant kill. Creep. Minecraft Premium Rika. Blocks. Unrivaled, we have one of each now, so we should have a tanky crab bro in the front, followed by. I'm trying to figure out what I should do third next. No, Henny Explosion for a good protective AoE shell. We're gonna put the healer there. We're gonna put there, and Beetle, who does nothing in the very back. So this is a complete team of one of everything. I forgot about the sound. Try to collect some healing. Oof, I didn't even see them spawn. Oh, because they probably just spawned it. Anyway, sadly, that team was not sufficient. Try this. I mean, unironically, just going like a couple of beetles and then. Which means Vtuber might get more powerful now. Now there's enemy lasers, we had to have more power on them. So now we need to start power creeping characters. Oh, that was close. Oh, shit. It spawned on me. Yeah, I gotta avoid that spot there. Yeah, that was my fault. I got too risky. We could go all 5 crab rows. That'd be funny. But we're gonna die to lasers this way. It's like a human centipede. Mascot centipede. So we lose the bound attrition now because of the lasers. Ooh, yeah, and those hitboxes can be hard too. Anyway, unironically, this 2, 3, 4, 5. This might be the strongest sped up. Or Dokis aren't strong enough anymore. Oh, no. Oh, I lost one. Oh, let's just be to the left. I didn't even get the explosion. I died to a laser. Oh. Oh, yeah. Automatically, no team's strong. We need to improve the Dokies, though. Not the angry ones. The angry ones are going to overwhelm the board, as is, or there'll be like multiple of them if we do enemy spawn waves. I'm thinking the lasers are more frequent. So. Oh, no. So anyway, we should just cover that. So keep healing in the middle, that there, and then bird back. Oh, you can just see it's like. We did just increase our power by about 3 times. Oh, hitbox is down. Can we play it out a window? Yeah, so we can have full screen. We need to make this screen up and resize. Yeah, that's the next thing we should handle after we do more testing here. The screen has an expected scale size. Oh, alright. Let's see. That's not anyway. 1, 2, 2, 2. So healer, beetle, and bird in the back. See, this is how you're supposed to be playing the game. It looks a lot nicer at this scale, rather than the built-in editor scale. Now I can actually see what their bars are. Okay, maybe the bird's now too powerful with that. So we should only make them twice as fast. That's my thoughts, and that's my 2 cents on that. Whoa. Yeah, we definitely need to just rescale the UI when it goes full screen. Instead of leaving it like this, I think this is a bad idea on my part. Anyway. Not the idea that the UI could scale a little bit, but we need to have the whole thing rescaled to always be a certain percentage size. I'll get onto that thought maybe today. So definitely this week though. It's an annoying bug and I don't like it. It's like the third time I messed with the UI, but hey, why not? I completely forgot we did do the shader last week. And the water is moving because of it. Bird's low in health. Let's find some help quickly. Okay, we're all back to max health. Thank you, Beetle. Oh shit, I spawned on me. lost our bird. Oh, our explosion beat our explosion. Oh well. And that's actually kind of a cool effect. Not intended, but it's actually kind of cool. Just as it fades, the ocean takes over. Okay. Oof. Yeah, like all UI needs to have a scaling thing. Because it looks fine when it's like this scale. Like the scaling's fine here. But when I get to this, now it doesn't make sense. Cards are too small at that scale. So, group of all healers. You can see how ducky birds, evil dragoons, hide. Yep, that's how that goes. So, that's cool. Now, we're going to make sure Bulletstorm's not OP. Which it shouldn't be because, I mean, it's going to be a little bit OP, but the spawning part. Yeah. You know, exact damage is the hard part. I've taken some damage, so. It's not a mortal style, which that's the whole point. Someone skilled could probably handle this. I am only so skilled. Okay, the evil tacos are actually perfect. I don't know how to explain that. They're just perfect. There's a lot of firepower. You can definitely corner jockey for a bit. This is technically the longest I've survived. Oh yeah, I just died. That was stupid. Okay, let's see how long it survives like this. Google Talkie. No, yeah. There's no walk-away sequence, actually. Like that. I'm still contesting that maybe mixed teams should be the best. Just don't know. You should have Bird close to the front. Definitely Hill in the center. A little bit more useless. Exploding in the back when we play. I just realized I'm down here. Oh shit, I'm down too. I'm gonna make a sound for the laser crash. Maybe an animation too. Yeah, let's do all but one beetle. No, we need to eat. Now, I am actually thinking the beetle should maybe be random effects that are related to Neurosama. Anyway. So. Okay, and where are we doing now? Right, UI. So, game over screen. That needs a fix. Immediately. Let's do that one first. Oh, they all do, actually. So, let's first go to game over. It should be under scene, I believe. So, it should be game over right there. Okay. Boy. What's this look like in here? Brackets has to fade in real quick. So. To screen. function fit to. So I know there's some code already for the world that does this, so we're going to copy the logical graph of screen resize. So it should actually be world, screen, wait, yeah, there it is. Exactly what we wanted, actually. So, I'm actually just going to fit screen, actually. Okay, so, controls, we know that they have a size. So, in theory, okay, get right. Size. Okay, so we hit that size. And we can divide it. Let's see, the smaller one, we'll divide the smaller one 50%. So that's the total scale. We're going to divide that by the current screen scale. So we're going to divide by size, divided by size. And we might have to. Is this integers? Can't you have a 0.2? Okay, good. And we'll call that the play area for it. Okay. Screen scale. Var screen scale. Screen scale. Okay. So var scale equals probably the min of screen scale of x and screen scale of y. Okay. And then scale equals vector 2 of scale of final scale. Okay, let's get a quick game over. Beetle runs straight into danger in Lego City. And it's a Doki. Does he deal the damage? Okay, well, we got an immediate break because it's I. Okay. Can't you do vector 2? Like this. Okay, good, I can. Good, we can. I like that we can. Beetle runs straight into danger. Oh no, what are we gonna do? Where's the one that's not gonna deal damage? Thank you. Oh, ow, no. That's not correct. No, that is not correct at all. Okay. Did I do it wrong? Let me use the beat first. Oh wait, scale may not be the right word. Or size, duh. Okay, I actually. Come on. I should have initiated the scene directly. Okay. Kind of the opposite there. And yeah, I could just do the scene like this. I should have just been doing that. I realized it too late. See, that just does not work as intended. Okay, well, we know its intended size, and we know the size we want it to be at. The viewport size, I mean. So we know that. So viewport size will always be greater. We want to have a certain percent. We want that percent to equal to the size. So. Ironically, maybe it was right, but the math was wrong on this side. We do like 1 divided by. I think that's what it is. Okay, what's your point? Oh, that's fine. Oh. How could you do this? It stays the same, which it does here. Okay. So, different solution to that. Okay, let's first make them. Please tell me it's okay. So, it's supposed to be in the center of the screen. Well, then it shouldn't. I don't know. That's weird. Panel. I'm going to modify it off for a sec. Those aren't center based. They're the corner of this panel based. So that could be causing the issue. But I also want the entire panel to be within view properly. My phone dropped. So we're going to divide by 2. The scaling's right. Okay, that might have been the solution actually. The game over can get kind of covered in that. I think the center's being covered at that point. Or maybe that's not the solution, because this should be minimum. We need a maximum. Hey, what's so scary? The dog is asking something. Not really asking, she just kind of put Penny. Oh, but that's horrible. And it goes off screen. We don't want it to go off screen, which I don't approve of. It's not the divided by 2, though. Maybe that. No, we do need to divide by 2 to get the math right. I mean, it's positioned right now. Unless we make the screen too big in one of the directions. I just need a way where it scales. Because we need to think about it. Here's the problem. Panels are set up to have this scale, or this scale. Now we only want to resize it so it fits one of these numbers into the whole size, then center the rest of it. That's my vision of this. So how to make 500 equal that number if I change just the scale? Actually, that's another good question. If I change scale to... damn it, Godot, that's why it's not working. So that's why scaling like 2 weeks ago wasn't working. Because when you change the scale, it doesn't change that. So make that 750, for example. Okay. That doesn't make sense. I mean, it does make sense why they... Of course they make it as complicated as possible. Okay. Is there percent anchor and layout? So I need to look that up. So maybe that's my whole problem, is I'm just doing it wrong. No. Okay, maybe... maybe that was the solution. Make this 2. No, that's not it. That's not the solution. I just say change that line. Problem is always trying to mess with it. It is not going to do. So anchor in this situation works perfect, but the scale shifts weirdly. So how do I rescale it? That's the question. That's the question I need to figure out. Oh. Okay, how's the get gun showing from earlier? Go rescale UI with window. Chrome, yeah, Chrome. We have that one. Okay, I lost it. We'll just get that one. Godot rescale UI with window. Oh. That is a feature on that one. Okay. I'm not sure if I like this. I'm definitely going to do a fix like this on my actual game engine. Not game engine, sorry. Game, I meant to say. I used to kind of work on my personal game engine, but I switched over to Godot because it had 90% of the features I was making anyway. And the last two features I actually just kind of recompiled Godot, which is why I have two copies down here. I have a custom Godot and a actual Godot. I'm sorry, I'm better at C++ than this Godot script shit. I shouldn't call it shit though. I mean, it is a good learning tool, and I'm thinking a different way, which is really good also. I'd rather work on PHP though right now, if I'm being completely honest. Or C#. I could figure that out a bit faster. C#. Anyway. So. We have to move the position and the scale, sadly. So, is there a way to get the anchor mode? Or get the anchor? Because I can space off the anchor, maybe. That's the question I need to ask myself. So, main control panel. Yep, this is the fun part, looking it up. Yeah, whatever, I don't care. Alright, we're just gonna not worry about it. We are worried about it, but we're not gonna. We're gonna have extra bar for extra scaling. 1 for now. Actually, wouldn't goal position be 0? No, it wouldn't be 0, 0. We need to think of the other factor. Just we're centering it. Oh, I did this in my own game engine years ago. I just don't remember it. Because I had this exact solution, because my anchor system worked completely different than Godot's anchor system, where it was a dynamic anchor system, and it would scale things by percents. Oh, and there was a pixel box feature it had, too. Oh. I'm thinking. Sorry. I'm thinking of drinking water. Granted, it's still the flavored water. I haven't drank much of it, but I'm taking sips. I'm feeling more hydrated with it. So it's good. Good. Sorry. Oh, did I get a follow today? There wasn't 9 follows. On Twitch, I mean. No, I guess you got Ann. I'm sorry. I didn't see you actually watch. That's fine, though. I don't know. No Twitch comments? Or Twitter comments? That's fine. I need to find like maybe a Q&A tag and do that. Excuse me. Anyway, goal position, which is maybe the scale. No. We should do position. The scale might affect it. I don't think it does actually, but it will. It doesn't matter. Anyway, point I wanted to get across. So. Okay, well, so thing I'm concerned about is different screen sizes. I'm going to do 2 different screen sizes. Do a long screen and a tall screen. So we're going to have this black box here represent our contained UI elements. There's the contained UI elements. So I want to have screen positioning. I always wanted to anchor to. I wanted to anchor the anchor to center, or maybe anchor to like the side of the screen. Now that I'm saying that out loud, I might have to make my own anchor system if Godot doesn't work the way I think it does. And I'm more and more thinking I don't know how to use these anchors. Is there really not a way for Godot UI to fit screen? Can I not just do that? Oh. Maybe... Oh, cool, it's got its own layer. Anyway. Let's push forward. messed up. Will it rescale now? No. It does follow the viewport. Anyway, it's project settings. I'm not being stupid. Project settings, display settings. Okay, it's display. It's window maybe? Okay, window. Okay, I don't care about that. Stretch. Canvas items. Good, we can keep it. Okay. See, this is why you do research. Because that would have saved us a whole headache of rewriting all the UI. Because if it stretches like I hope it does... See? Aha! Now it works exactly how we want it to. Okay. That was not a problem. I don't like how it has a black border there, but that's fine. And this is a proper scale size. I did increase in size. We might want to make the UI a bit more wider, but it's good. It is good. I like it. Okay. This we don't like though. Unfortunately, it's a canvas item. Okay. Also, not full screen, it messes up really. Cool. Anyway, I want this to. Oh, because my own scaling is in there. Okay, let's remove my own scaling first. And make that a pass. If that works, we'll just consider that fixed. Game's harder to see at this scale. Actually, just as in general. Oh damn, they just spawned on me. Did you just fart onto my bed? Okay. Alright, that actually feels the scaling issue then, so don't like that, but we'll deal with that. Yeah, dog farted into my bed. I can smell it. Alright. So, we did quite a little bit today. I'm gonna make a joke about that. Let's see. Here, Jira. Show our Jira list up here. I just want to view, as I don't know what the other project is, it's sort of another project actually. That's a secret project. No one's going to know about it. And someone's going to see it 10 years later from now. Okay. Alright. I mentioned the house. Let's see, we got a map selector. We can work on that next week. We can safely say we have at least a basic neurosummon. So I would originally think there'd be a dot and there'd just be like Neurosama poking at them. But that can be like another random effect that happens. So we can make it like a random effect. For now, we're going to leave it just the one. And then maybe later we can add more stuff in. So, effectively finished. So for now, they're effectively finished. I don't want to have too many random effects on characters, just a few that do it. But for right now, since we only got 5 choices, we don't want random effects. So, I don't know what powers Momos could have. That's a good question. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I was just thinking Tenma just muscling in. That'd be funny. And that's just a strength boost, actually. I don't know what a Vtuber mascot would be. That's the problem. Because it has to be a mascot. That's the rule. And Vito is a mascot of Neurosama, so I'll let you with that. So yeah, we can add Vito. Summon bars. So we could do Slime Can Slippa. That is technically a mascot Pippa. That'd be allowed. So I don't know, I'm thinking of the next thing to do. It's funny. I do want to do the Gen 3, Gen 2 of them. I also want to figure out how I'm going to get the bow, or the 2 dogs in. Because I think that's a really cool mechanic to do with them. If there's like an extra dog that runs around that doesn't not connect to your health and deals damage. That could be a really cool mechanic. Technically, that functions a little bit like Bubba from Holocure, but that's fine. Game's different mechanics, that's not a problem. And we're not going to do her, because I want to do Nimi, but I don't know. The only reason I thought of that's because I know it from, unfortunately, Holocure. So that's more unfortunate. Could do Shrimp. That'd be Shy Lily and like 10 other VTubers now, actually. Could do. No, we're not going to do about it. Could you get Tempting Tom from her? No, we are taking a little time. Let's try to build a house out of that. Okay, so house. Pink wood. That's not the right type. That's magenta. This pink. I can't draw in a straight line as you're learning. Oh, that did not intend effect. So actually, we could just change to, yep. Pairing to the house that I'm going to put in. I don't know if I'm going to be able to just throw it up here. Oh. Stop breaking Kame house. Reference to the abridged. You know, if there wasn't a scandal with one of the TFS members that's now what became a VTuber, I would legitimately try to get a reference to him because I'm building this house. But because of that scandal, I don't feel comfortable trying that at this time. It could be a nothing burger, but I am not going to risk that. I suspect maybe he was just a bit of a perv. Which, I'd say a lot of nerds, including myself, maybe, who knows. No, I wouldn't include myself. I would have to say. But yeah, a lot of nerds probably get too excited that women are finally noticing them and then might try too hard. And end up coming off as a creep. I'm scared I'll be one of those nerds, if anything. That's what I'm more scared of, is end up being like one of those nerds who creeps somebody out. That's what I'm more fear. No, I'm not sympathizing with him quite yet. I don't know what he did. And if it's an internal dispute that they resolve, then it is. And it's none of my business. It seems like the internal dispute resolved it. So it's not my business to speculate what happened. I mean, if he's actually just an abuser, that's completely different. That is not what I was expecting. I was expecting it just being a perv. Maybe too touchy-feely, which is still bad. Keep in mind, I'm not excusing any of that. I'm just thinking out loud that, you know, who knows what happened. I just hope that no one's hurt, is what I'm trying to say. If there was a guilty party, well, I hope the guilty party gets the right punishment. And maybe him leaving the internet is the right punishment. I don't know. That is not for me to say. The reason why I'm even thinking about it is I just love the series. I'm actually kind of sad that something like that kind of indirectly hurts the series. One of my favorite series online. And I just don't want to even think about that. It makes me sad. There's Ghost Napa. Is that door white? I can't tell. Oh, I don't know. We're gonna just do white windows because that's the easiest. Actually, blue. It's actually kind of brilliant. It doesn't have to be exactly the house, it's just a reference. Does he have 2 windows? Yeah, he does. That works. Now, you're never supposed to guess what this is really a reference to. That's a nice 3D render and Legos there. Oh, no, it's not even Legos, that's Minecraft. Okay. I had to let the dog out. Okay, sorry, I'm back. Do 2 white pillows. Is that like Lego Minecraft actually? Oh, it's a kind of a blue door. Light blue door. Maybe green. Alright, let's make it light green. Yeah, I'm sad there's no comment out. No one really heard me complain to the dog. I'm pretty sure they did, but I saw my mic still going off. Not sure how it's still picking up sound with it disabled. But yeah, I kind of tried warning the dog, hey, don't come back in here, I'm going to have to close the door because I don't want to have copyright music playing, and yeah, the door has to be closed to make sure that doesn't get in. But the dog doesn't understand, and I'm kind of sad I don't have to explain it to her. I might have to ask the roommate not to play something when I'm doing streams. I might do the solution instead. Then she can go up to my door pretty soon, I'm pretty sure, and then say, I need the door back open. Technically not my dog, so, but I don't want to be mean to the dog either. I feel like I'm being mean. It's just not fair to the dog. He doesn't understand better. Okay, and hopefully we can just put that like under textures. Oh. I'm calling that assets. Okay, and we're gonna call it Turtle House. Turtle house. Man, that is a reference to Crony. Or the dog one. The Japanese dog one. Someone's gonna get mad at me for saying it that way. Okay. I don't want to be more mad at that than me telling the dog to go out of the room. Oh. Okay, and we can finally put the real Kame house in. Or the turtle house. Turtle wave. Actually, first of all, I want to make this green. So, okay, good. We'll just remove this. And, we want to add in actual texture. Okay, enemy object shaders, scene, sounds, textures. It should be under math assets. There it is. It's a bit goofy. But it works actually. Except for that edging part. Alright, filter mode. There, looks more in line with the game. Okay, I have a crazy idea of what to do here, and I need to shape the top of it. But hey, that's fine. I mean, I'm no artist, but it looks... Okay, it doesn't look great, but it looks better than... Well, okay. Maybe not better. It's not AI. That's the joke. The joke I want to make. This is not AI. This is all handcrafted by me. Little old me. Well, I don't know if I'm that old. I'm only 31. And ta-da! It actually goes underneath a little bit. And I want to make sure I have a complete white out. That was already in override mode. Yeah, trigger the weird pixels. Let's make sure this is darkened in. Oh. And ta-da! Okay, it's entirely on my mind, but no, this flag needs to be over it. Okay. Okay, that is better. Don't everyone get the reference to it? If I ever get an artist to help me with this project, I definitely make this house in non-correct fashion. You know, we need to make a physics box of some kind. Well, oh, that's the ocean. That's good. Okay, we need to make a physics box, so... Boundary, or no, not boundary. Import, sub, box, container, no, what will be the thing we need? almost done with the stream here. We got 30 more minutes on Twitter. Let's set it up. We're going to quit before that. We're just going to get the animation. It's something static. Static body, thank you. So, part of the turtle house, technically. So, shape something. So, we need a collision shape 2D. So I can just add scene points onto it. Okay. We're going to do 2 rectangles, or 2 things. Well, they're not 2. What's doing up there? We want it over here. And we're just adding another triangle in. Oh, that's not what we want either. Screw it, we'll just do another square. Which needs to obey the laws of physics somehow. Okay, can I spin this? Okay, maybe we need 3. Because it's not perfect. I'll teeter off of that. I'm going to be a little bit out there. I'm going to do another one. Okay, and we had to test this out. With an army of eagles. Forgot about the sound. Okay, thought I saw it get over stretch there, but no. Okay. Okay, now no one brick combat house. We're all good. Alright, that is everything. We finished the At least the basics of this terrain one. We fixed one of the major UI issues I was experiencing. I had to unpatch a thing for the movement of the world, which is fine by me actually. Because we were making a patch for that too, that didn't work out. We finished near Sama's Beetle, at least temporarily, at least the basic level finish. And we fixed a crab row bug. So we did a lot today, actually, for the 2 hours and a half. Was it 2 hours and a half? 6 to 9? 3 hours, I'd say. So we did a lot. A lot of goofing off, too, which is fun. And I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed. Have fun, everybody. So, stop.